Hey folks, it's PaulyB coming at you once again from the Jersey Shore. Actually, I always say right outside the Big Apple, New York City. But I'm going to tell you folks, I have had a crazy last couple of weeks, and I'll tell you about it. And thanks again for stopping by to Barletta Marketing. And we're still in the game, folks. Please like, subscribe, and press that all notifications bell so you'll be notified when another video comes out. People have been calling me and texting me. I just got another text just now asking me, PaulyB, where have you been? Or why are you MIA? You haven't put up any videos. And I'm going to be completely transparent with you. I'm in the hospital, folks. I'm in the hospital, and I'm a little raggedy. I look like I'm in the hospital. But here's my proof that I'm in a hospital. There's my tags, my hospital dog tags, whatever you want to call them. I have intravenous hooked up to me. For real, folks, I'm in the hospital. I'm trying to be transparent. And there is my IV. There is my hospital bed. There is it all, folks. I am at the community hospital, Route 37 in Toms River, and I want to thank everyone who's been texting me, the phone call. Steve Harding, big shout out to you. I just got off the phone with him yesterday, and I want to thank all of you. So here I am, and we're going to be talking about the fast mail order system, and we have new income proof. New income proof for the fast mail order system. And remember, folks, going through this video, you'll hear some background of hospital activity. So it is what it is. And it is actually 10 to 10, 9:50 p.m. Thursday, December 14th. The holidays are coming up. And I am happy because Rodney Patterson out of Newark, New Jersey, just came onto the team, the dream team. Pauly's in the circle. And he has joined the fast mail order system. Yes, we are happy. I'm happy. And I have a story to tell you about Rodney with the fast mail order system. Let me introduce you to Rod first. There's my buddy, Rodney Patterson, on Facebook, and he says it is okay to live a life that others don't. It is okay to live a life that others don't. And you know what, folks? If you can't resonate with that, I can, because the reason why he is one of my best friends is because Rod is a leader. He is a leader, not a follower. And if you go to his residence, you'll see people all around him. And I have to often, because he's such a humble guy, I have to often help him recognize that he is born to be a leader. And leaders build businesses, leaders build empires. And I'm proud and happy to have him not only on our team, but as a friend. Big shout out to you, Rod. I know you're going to do great in the business ventures that we have planned together. So he has joined the fast mail order system. And let me see if I can go there and show you that first page. Rodney Gunther. Is fast mail order system still happening? Yes, it is, folks. It is still happening, going strong. $50 goes to the admin, $200 goes in your pocket. And what I will do if you join our team is I will give you a $50 discount if you join within the next week. $50 discount. That means you don't come in at $250, you come in at $200. And I will immediately customize this page to your liking. And Rodney Gunther will send you out a starter kit with 200 stamps, 200 good premium buyer leads to hit the ground running. And then you'll have to make up your flyers And we have Ron Caddy. Big shout out to you, Ron Caddy. He has a cheaper price than Vistaprint and Print Founders. And who could be their price? Ron Caddy can. And he will do it for you. And I will immediately, the day you joined, I will email you this flyer with your name. And I suggest you put your phone number on it. This happens to be my buddy Rodney Patterson's address. And this is my phone number on his flyer. And why did we do that? Because when you first start, folks, if anybody does call, I do suggest you put your phone number on here. If anybody does call, you want to make sure you answer the correct questions. And what I like to do is this. You be on a three-way with me because I am a good closer. Only because I'm an older guy, I have an experience under my belt in sales. And you can listen to me in earshot and see how I close people. I don't do anything fishy. I'm not dishonest. I'm just real, folks. I talk to them real. I do have some closing techniques and skills that I use. And I did even go to school for sales and presentation through IBM in New York City. I have some training in marketing and communications and the behavior of how people speak through body language. And that's a horse of a different color right now. But in any event, I would like to tell you this story. When Rodney had joined the fast mail order system, who was it, Rod? I think it was a Friday that he had joined. Folks, he was so fired up, and I just happened to have a whole box full of like 2,500 flyers that I had ordered in my living room. So I brought it over to his house, and Mama took us there. It was big to do, but that day he was so motivated and fired up. We put all these flyers, fast mail order system flyers, inside the envelopes. He did most of the work. I left the room for a while. I was with my wife Angela, but when we had come back, he had the whole bed, a whole pile. If you could picture a pile of 2,000 envelopes. The next day, we had my buddy Mikey come and put the label stamps on, and he walked to 3rd Avenue in Newark to the post office and mailed them out. And we're still waiting for a return. But I'll tell you, folks, if you talk about somebody being motivated, hitting the ground, running, it's Rodney Patterson. He's a beast. Well, folks, there goes I'm in a room with someone else. There goes the nurse's bell. I think the intravenous on my buddy John, who's on the other side of this curtain in this hospital room. The bell just went off. The alarm for him. So I'm going to sign out and bear you the noise of that. But big shout out to you, Rodney. And I just got another text. Thank you all for your support while I've been in the hospital. Don't worry, I'm a beast. That wound is going to heal. My wife will tell you it's not the first time I fell off a roof. They say I got 9 lives. You can't keep a good man down, they say. But God bless you. Thank you. Please like this video. Subscribe. Hit the all notifications bell. Leave any comments, any questions. I answer all questions. If you have any questions, you want to talk to me over the phone, 862-658-2086. Here in the Jersey Shore, PaulyB, Barletta Marketing, 862-658-2086. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless and shalom.